Well, we're standing here in front of 12 Haledon Circle in the Parkwood subdivision of Southwest Durham over by South Point Mall. And let's take a look at the property. What we are looking at here is we're looking at 3 bedrooms, 1.5 baths, and I'll explain shortly, and approximately 1,100 square feet. It is a short sale and it's listed at $80,000. So let's take a look here. Now again, we are dealing with a short sale, and when we're dealing with a short sale or foreclosure, we are usually dealing with properties that need a little bit of work, and this property is no exception. It does need some work, and it also needs the electricity is not on, and as well as there's a lot of furniture and a lot of things that are, it's kind of a mess in here, but I'll do the best I can to show you what we have here. So when we walk into the house, first thing you'll notice is we have beautiful hardwood floors. This is the family, and also very nice ceiling fans. This is the family / living room area, and this area flows right into the kitchen, which is an Eden kitchen. So we have the Eden area here. Another nice ceiling fan. The flooring is vinyl. But it looks like it's in pretty good shape, so we don't have to do a lot there. And the walls looks like it's wood paneling. But let's take a look at the kitchen. And it does need some work. Obviously, the cabinets are outdated. The appliances are outdated as well. And so here's what the kitchen looks like. Now, off the kitchen is sort of a storage area. It could be used as a pantry. And again, there is no electricity in this house, so I'm not going to be able to show you much in there. Hopefully you'll see a little bit. I do want to point out there is some damage on the ceiling, but I'm not sure what that could be. So obviously we need a home inspector to get out here to take a look at that. So let's take a look at the house before we go to the exterior, to the outside. So again, we're looking at 3 bedrooms, 1.5 baths. We have, I just want to show you this one closet back here. Okay, just a simple coat closet in the front of the house. Then let's go over to the first bedroom. Here's another. This is where the HVAC is, behind door number 2. First bedroom we're going to go into, I'm going to show you, it's carpeted, okay? It has a very nice ceiling fan, and it does have a nice closet in here. Now, it is approximately a 10 by 11, so it is a bit on the smaller side, but it's still a bedroom, and it's in pretty good shape. Not a whole lot needed here. Across the street from the bedroom, we have a full bath, but again, it's 1.5 baths, and I'll explain that later. Throughout the house, we're looking at these hardwood floors, which are beautiful. They do need a little bit of refinishing, but they're still very nice. On we go to the next one, and this bedroom is approximately 10 by 10, and again, very nice hardwood floors flow into it, and a very nice ceiling fan, and not a whole lot to be done in here. This is in pretty good shape, just maybe some paint. One thing I do want to mention, in the closet there is a wall that is bare, and it might need some work. It might need a little covering up, and I'll show you exactly why. Now, so you come over here to the other side of the wall. Here is a circuit panel, so that is why that wall is that way. So let's take a look, with that said, into the master. Again, very nice hardwood floors, just a little bit of refinishing. It's actually been painted, and another nice ceiling fan. And again, the master is a little bit different because we have 2 closets. So we have this one, which is a sort of a walk-in closet. And then we have this one, which is the sliding door closet. So then we'll go into the master bath. Okay, now the flooring is vinyl. But the master, okay, so here's where the half bath is. So We have in the master, we have the toilet and we have a sink. Okay, now the only difference is that we have a pocket door right here that closes this area off, so this is only the master. And then when you open the pocket door, you have a full bath. Now this is not tile or anything, but it looks like it's in pretty good shape. It does need, again, a little bit of work. I'll show you an area of concern right here. Okay, but it's got a nice window out into the backyard, and we'll take a look at that. And then in here we have another sink, a toilet, and over here is where the washer, there is sort of a linen closet type area where the washer and dryer would be, and I'm going to try and do the best I can to show this. It is a little bit challenging with no electricity in the house, no lights. But this is where it would go, and it looks like, and there's some cabinetry in here, and it looks like right now there is a curtain rod, but we could put sliding glass doors in here or some type of folding door. So that is pretty much it with the house. Again, you know, it's a ranch, 1,100 square feet approximately, 3 bedrooms, 1.5 baths. So let's take a look outside. Now, off of the eat-in area, we also have a sort of a sunroom. It looks like it was added on to the original structure, but let's take a look. This is it's carpeted, but again, this would make a nice little hangout space, if you will. Right now, it's got tarp on, but it does allow a lot of light when the tarp is not there. So let's take a look at the backyard, which I think is a great looking backyard. We have a nice sized deck out here. And the yard is semi-fenced in. Now let me show you what I'm talking about. So we have over here, again, it's a pretty good size, so it goes all the way in there. And it is fenced in on the sides. Concrete pad right there to house possibly a shed. And then back here, you do have the chain link, part of the chain link fence, but it is not fenced in. But this is what the backyard looks like. This is the rear of the house. Again, it looks like that little part was added after the fact. We have some trees. And we have a storage shed right there, which I will show the other side of it. But here's the backyard. Okay. And let's walk over here. The deck does need some work, but not a whole lot. It is in relatively good shape. It just needs to be refinished, and there does need to be some planks that need to be replaced. And then we're going to go over here, and I'm going to show you what this is. This is a carport, and behind the carport we have a very nice spacious shed. And so again, this is 12 Haledon Circle in the Parkwood subdivision of Southeast Durham. And I hope that this was helpful. And let me know if I can help. Thank you very much. I look forward to hearing from you.